Hi guys, it's me Carla again, and I wanted to bring you along while I take care of a to-do item on my big home project list. This is not a big task, but it's something that's just been sitting on the back burner for a long time while I procrastinate. I have a beautiful clear bowl that a dear friend gave me on my 50th birthday. All I do is move it from room to room and dust it. I don't have a use for it, but I love it. I also have a spiny cactus that used to sit over my kitchen sink on the shelf and do fine. At some point I moved the cactus out to a shelf in my laundry room where it gets completely and totally neglected. That it is alive at all is due to the fact that it is a cactus. I go for long periods of time without watering it or even remembering that it exists. I have all the stuff to make a terrarium for the cactus, so I'm going to do that today, and hopefully I can honor the gift of the bowl and the life of the cactus and cross something off my to-do list. So let's get at it. Here's the bowl. Right, I have this collection of river rocks and rocks that I've gotten from the ocean. These are the bigger ones. And when you make a terrarium, you start with larger rocks to help with drainage. I spend a lot of time arranging these rocks so they'll look pretty, and then everything gets covered up. So it's kind of funny that I spend so much time on it. Now I'm going to get some slightly smaller decorative rocks, put them on top, and then finish up with the black rocks that came out of the aquarium. See? You can't even see the big rocks now. Now the cactus mix. This is potting soil that's especially for succulents and cacti. And we dump it in, and we start making quite a mess on the table. Friends, if you do this at home, do yourself a favor, do it outside or put newspaper down. Learn from me. And here's the poor cactus, covered with dryer lint. It's in a broken up plastic pot that got put inside a bigger plastic pot. And this is a spiny cactus. It's super root bound. It's so dry. So right there, I'm just trying to pick off pieces of plastic and excessive dryer lint. Break up the root ball a little bit before I put it into the bowl so that it's able to put down its roots a little bit more efficiently. Now this got tricky. That is a narrow opening for that fat cactus, and I was stabbing myself badly. All right, I'm going to try to work in a little more soil. Basically, I was also getting a nice fat skirt of potting soil all over the lower spines of the cactus. This was working worse than working on my rose bushes. It was so prickly. And finally, this is some decorative white sand I wanted to put around the top. And I got a funnel to kind of get around that narrow edge. I also had a little trouble right here, spilled it all over the place, but it worked pretty well. Once I had that the way I wanted it, then I picked out a few last little green, pretty little green river rocks, white ones too, and just put them in for decoration. And that's it. Okay, you guys, there's the finished product. It is not really a terrarium because the plant sticks all the way out of the receptacle. That's okay though. This pretty little bowl is now in use and the cactus is not being neglected. It's gotten a little water. It's no longer in a crumbling plastic pot. So I get to go to my Excel spreadsheet and mark off repot cactus. So I'm happy about that. And I think the cactus is happy too, but it's kind of hard to tell. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more from me, I do invite you to subscribe. And until then, enjoy the good stuff. See you next time.